Hello, welcome to Revit Equipment Schedule Development course. In this video series, you will learn how to create equipment schedules in Revit. You will also learn how to create and use an equipment schedule database to speed up your work. Each video of this course comes with Revit practice files that you can download for free. Link to download these files is below. So let's start with the first lesson. For this video, I'm working with the Revit file 1c1, which you can download from the link below. Equipment schedules are tables that show parameter values of equipment in the Revit model. Each column in the equipment schedule represents a Revit parameter that is associated with equipment. The parameter can be either an instance parameter or a type parameter. For example, the first column in this schedule represents mark, which is an instance parameter. This means that the values that are listed in the mark column are unique for each equipment instance in the model. But the manufacturer in this column is a type parameter. The values in this column are equal for all instances of the same equipment type. Let's look at the model to learn more about the instance parameters and type parameters. These are the four equipment that were listed in the equipment schedule. Here I select the equipment HP03. Note that when I selected this equipment, the property palette on the right-hand side changed. Now it is showing all the instance parameters and their values for the equipment that I just selected. We see that the value of the mark parameter is HP03 for this equipment. This value is also shown by the equipment tag. Now if I select another equipment, you will see that its mark value is different. And that's how instances are. Each instance of an equipment in the model can have unique values for its instance parameters. Now let's look at type properties of HP03. I do that by clicking on Edit Type button on the property palette. In this window, we see all the type parameters that are associated with this type of equipment. The values of these parameters are the same for all the instances. For example, we see that the manufacturer value for this type of equipment is RTU MFG1. So any other instance of this equipment type has RTU MFG1 as its manufacturer. To check that, I'm going to select HP01, which is the same type of equipment as HP03. And then I'm going to look at its type properties. Note that I just opened the edit type for the same type of equipment as I did when I selected HP03. So, as we expect, the manufacturer value is RTU MFG1. Changing values of type properties will be applied to all instances. For example, here I change the manufacturer value to RTU MFGA53 and I hit OK. Now I check the type properties of HP03. Which is the same equipment type as HP01. And we see that the manufacturer value is equal to what I just updated. Understanding the difference between instance parameter and type parameter is important when we work with parameters to create or edit the schedules. Now I'm back in the sheet that we looked earlier in this video. The remarks section below the schedule is actually a legend, and we will learn how to create legends like this in lesson 3.